This is indeed my second order from these guys. I'm gonna put the link in the description. Yo, check this shit out, fuckers. Let me show you. Hold on. Exodus Ride Shop, located in Michigan. Shout out to you guys. I ordered this shit on the... I don't know when I ordered it. I forgot. Anyways, I spent... So... Oh yeah, I got some more stickers. Oh my gosh, here's the goods. This is probably the rail. The black... Here, let me... So I have the Black River Rams fingerboard rail, the low one. They didn't have the high. The Black River Rams, the fingerboard, the box. I got the number 1. I don't know what the fuck that means. I don't fucking know. And then just a brick box. Dude, I've been wanting that shit for fucking ever. That shit was sold out. So I spent $60 free shipping from them. I think if you spend $40, it's free shipping. Anyways, so yeah. Oh, this is the box. I can feel it. It. Holy shit, this thing is dope. Yo, this thing go hard as fuck, bro. This shit's like MF Doom's beats. You feel me? Dope. Dude, what the fuck? Dude, I can carry that. I got this so I can carry it with me, cause like, but like my point being is I can't just walk around carrying that in like a pocket or even in like my pouch, you know. But this shit, oh, dude, we're setting standards with this motherfucker. You feel me? Standards, bro. That's standard. This is the shit right here. This is the main reason why I ordered any of this. I got the rest of the shit just to do free shipping. This is what I wanted. If it would have been free shipping just for this one thing, oh my gosh. Oh, look at this. You can't get any. Damn, look at that. Oh, fucking awesome. Hollow. Got some foam to stop it from... Oh, let's hit this. Look at this shit. Oh, fresh out the box. Oh. Y'all like my rail? What y'all think about my new rail? Oh, did you hear that? Sheesh, I love that sound. Alright, time to do some fucking close-ups.